Welcome to English Practice with Urdu Translation. Household items. These are items you will find in the kitchen. Table, iron, fan, microwave, rolling pin, teapot, wooden spoon, clock, casserole dish, apron, blender, colander, jug, kitchen scissors, juicer, cutting board, mixer, dish rack, deep fryer, fork, knife, pan, whisk, sieve, sponge, saucepan, spice containers, broom, wok, butter dish, kitchen cupboard, dining table, rubbish bin, thermos, lemon squeezer, matchbox, knife set, chopsticks, butter knife, grater, bed, egg slicer, garlic press, kitchen roll, gas stove, jar, oven gloves, kettle, peeler, toaster, dishwasher, kitchen scales, fridge, sink, bottle, tongs, salt and pepper, kitchen table, baking tray, pizza slicer, potato masher, ice cream scoop, waffle maker, sandwich maker, bowl, plate, fork, cutlery, pressure cooker, cup and saucer, mixing bowl, glass of water, rolling board, cake stand, can, coffee machine, measuring spoons, ice cube tray, pasta spoon.